Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we are opening another Sew Up box. This one is from January of 2024. We were in the storage room downstairs and we discovered a whole nother stack of my boxes. Yay me! Lots of projects, which I'm not getting to right now until it'll be after the holidays, but Sew Up box. It's a great little box, independent business owner, and she does a great job of curating these. But yeah, that was, let's say my son had just gotten out of the hospital and we found out my husband's sister was sick, and it's been interesting ever since. But are we ready? So January of 2024, so easy. We're going to make a bowl cozy. We have extra fabric. There's a visual video vault, and then there's an ice cream bowl cozy pattern. It looks like it's a different size and style. Don't forget to join their Facebook community. And I've actually done some bowl cozies, but this will be interesting because I used a template. So this will be kind of neat to see if I can make different sizes. But as always, we've got our little extra fabric and our little tag, our little string here, our bow has little labels that you can cut out and use. And then we have our bowl cozy, and as always, we've got our thread, some pins, and an extra needle. Don't forget to be changing your needle in your sewing machine. And this will make 2, it says. Prep time is 2 minutes, creation time is 30. So this would be something that you could do, in an afternoon while kids are napping. Any number of things while you're waiting for a dinner to cook. I love it. And then, pint size. Yeah. So you've got different sizes. If you wanted to have a whole pint of ice cream just for you, you'd have your little bowl and not freeze your hands. Cut out patterns. So the style 1 fits a standard size bowl. Style 2 fits a pint-sized ice cream container. And there is a video tutorial, and they give you the link to that. Again, I think I've got some of the same fabric, so I think we shop at the same places. And we have very similar tastes, so alright. I'm going to have to set this one though at my sewing table somewhere close to the top, because I am interested in doing those different sizes. She has a new subscription where you can just get the patterns if you wanted to, so that's pretty awesome. Check out my link down in the description. I get a little thank you if somebody subscribes or buys through my link. And every little bit, always helps. But definitely do check around, check out some of the past projects, check out the upcoming projects. Should be a lot of fun. Like I said, they don't take terribly long. And you learn something. She challenges me with her projects. Alright. Well, that was our box. And like I said, I think this one needs to go somewhere near the top, so that when I start getting into these projects, I'll know this is one that I want to do first. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're inspired by the little box, and I really hope you'll check them out. So she does a real good job. I'm very pleased with the quality of what I receive from her. Check out our Amazon shop, especially right now if you're doing any Christmas shopping. Number of great ideas, things that some that we've done here on the channel, like a hemline sewing advent calendar. Some of the books that I did a couple years ago on the Thursday Threads book club, which is coming back next year. I'm having to reread The Cat, the Quilt, and the Corpse. Oh, my memory is just not what it used to be. But I want to read that before I read the second book, and that'll be one of our first ones for the book club. So be on the lookout for that, and like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, don't forget to come back. I will see you right here next time on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.